Hello everyone. In the 101 days of Splunk learning, today we are going to learn about Splunk Basics. The first stop for the Splunk Basics is the documentation. This is the link for the documentation page, and you can see that all the essential things are documented clearly and neatly, like platforms, securities, apps and add-ons, and developer tools. There are several things in that. Today we are going to learn about Splunk Cloud Platform and Splunk Enterprise and Splunk Enterprise Security, and then a few things about apps and add-ons. Uh, Next one is let us find out the comparison between the Splunk Enterprise and the Splunk Cloud. Splunk Enterprise is nothing but we are purchasing a car, that is, we are buying a car for our requirement. Whereas the Splunk Cloud is nothing but we are using a taxi service for our requirement. It depends upon the project or the requirement. They can either go for a Splunk Enterprise or the Splunk Cloud. It is purely based upon their requirement. Next one is the Splunk Enterprise Security. Splunk Enterprise Security is a kind of a premium app. It performs the same task as the Splunk Enterprise, but with some additional extra layer of protection, extra layer of security. It is mainly used for the projects like banking or some other confidential projects. We can go for Splunk Enterprise Security. Here we are going to see about the school management task. Here they may not need Splunk Enterprise Security. They are good to go with Splunk Enterprise itself. Next one is Splunk apps and add-ons. Splunk apps, there are some premium apps and free apps as well, and add-ons and technical add-ons. TA is nothing but technical add-ons. Next one is common information model. Let's see about CAM later. First, let us learn about what is Splunk apps and Splunk add-ons. Splunk apps is used for onboarding all the Cisco and the, for example, Cisco log files into the Splunk. It is used for onboarding all the log files into the Splunk system. Add-ons also used for that kind of task, but at the lower end. Splunk apps has as its name says itself, it uses the GUI page, that is a website page, whereas add-ons don't have that one. This is the few are free apps and few are not premium apps. For example, we can see that in the Splunk base. This is the link for that. In that we can see that we can see several apps here. For example, there are several collection of apps present here. For example, here you can see all those Splunk apps. Yes, that's all about the apps and add-ons. Next one is the CIM, Common Information Model. This Common Information Model is used for the standardizing all the data or log files into the understandable manner for the Splunk. For example, we may get log files from different platforms like for example, if we consider a persons with a different native language, if they want to communicate together, they will use a common language as English to make them understand and to discuss things. In the same way, the log files may be from different source types. To make that understandable in a common format and to perform the task in the Splunk, we need to standardize all the log files into the common information model. It is the standardized model to use the Splunk clearly. Yes, that's all about today's. We have seen few basic things, and let us see in the next class further. Let's learn Splunk together. Thank you.